AI is changing the world faster than anything we've seen before. But every powerful technology has another side. Today, we're not talking about science fiction, we're talking about reality. Imagine getting a call from your mother. She says, "Please send money. I'm in trouble." The voice sounds exactly like her. Phone disconnects. Another call. Real mom. Person shocked. But she never made that first call. Using AI voice cloning, anyone can now clone a person's voice with remarkable accuracy. If used responsibly, AI voice cloning technology can help create films, audiobooks, and accessibility tools. But in the wrong hands, the same technology can become a powerful scam. Technology isn't good or bad. People decide. AI doesn't choose how it's used. People do. Now imagine a person scrolling through social media. A video appears online. A famous public figure is giving a shocking speech. It looks completely real. Within minutes, millions of people watch it, thousands share it, without asking one question. Hours later, screen suddenly freezes. Large red stamp appears. Experts discover the entire video was AI generated. By then, the damage may already be done. That's why verification matters through official news website, fact-check article, and trusted source. In the AI era, seeing is no longer enough. Verify the facts and news before you believe. And here's something even more surprising. Sometimes, AI doesn't fake videos, it fakes facts. You ask AI about photosynthesis. A beautiful answer appears. The answer looks professional, well-written, and completely convincing. Zoom into the answer. A reference appears at the bottom. But here's the problem. Sometimes, AI creates information that simply isn't true. It may invent research papers, websites, dates, or even quotations. This is called an AI hallucination. The answer sounds confident. But confidence isn't the same as accuracy. Never copy important information without checking it first. AI predicts the next most likely words. It doesn't automatically verify every fact. And there's another question. How much of your personal information have you already shared online? Every day, you leave behind a digital footprint. Every search, every click, every location tells a story about you. AI doesn't need to know your name. It only needs enough data to recognize patterns. Convenience is useful, but always ask yourself, does this app really need this permission? A few simple privacy settings can protect far more than most people realize. If a product is free, your data may be part of the price. In the digital world, your information has value. And one question remains. Will AI replace our jobs or simply change the way we work? The biggest question everyone is asking. Will AI replace us? AI can already write, design, analyze, and automate many tasks. The biggest risk isn't AI, it's refusing to learn new skills. Across the world, professionals are not being replaced, they're becoming more productive by working with AI. The future is not human versus AI, it's human plus AI. Every technological revolution changes jobs, but it also creates entirely new opportunities. Those who keep learning will always have an advantage. AI is a tool. Your skills determine its value. The future doesn't belong to AI, it belongs to people who know how to use AI, learn wisely, stay curious, and use AI responsibly. If you found this helpful, subscribe to AI Practical. Let's learn AI the practical way.